Behind every successful product is a clear recipe, and in Syspro, that recipe is the bill of materials, the foundation of accurate planning, costing, and production.
This tutorial will discuss the following: what is a bill of materials? What is routing? Why is accuracy important? Types of bill of materials, and lastly, parts of a bill of materials.
Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are introducing a new module in Syspro, and that is the bill of materials. In this tutorial, we are going to give you a brief yet detailed explanation of the module. So let's get started. What is a bill of materials? A bill of materials is essentially a recipe or formula for manufacturing a product. It lists sub-assemblies, intermediate parts, raw materials, and their quantities, including the allowance of scrap that are required to make the parent item. A bill of materials work hand in hand with requirements planning to help determine which purchase requisitions and production orders need to be released. What is routing? Alongside BOM, routing details how the product is manufactured. It specifies the operations to be performed, the sequence in which they must be done, the work centers involved, as well as the setup and run times. Routing can also include details like tooling, operator skill levels, instructions, and testing requirements. Why is accuracy important? The accuracy of your BOM directly impacts costing, procurement, shop loading, and ultimately your customer service. A precise BOM helps ensure efficiency across all aspects of manufacturing. We have realized that half of our viewers are not yet subscribed, so we are going to give you this chance to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. Types of bill of materials. Within Syspro, different BOM types support different functions. A planning bill for master scheduling and materials requirement. A batch bill for weighted-based manufacturing. A kit part used in the sales process. Parts of a bill of materials. Beyond standard parent and component items, Syspro also supports phantom parts, notional parts, co-products, and byproducts. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.